Hello friends, my today's video topic is having clause. What is having clause? Having clause is typically used when you have to apply a filter condition on an aggregated value. This is because a where clause is applied before aggregation and it is not useful when you want to apply a filter on an aggregated value. So if we want to filter the entire data, we can use where clause. If we want to filter the aggregated values, then we have to use having clause. In other words, having clause is equivalent to a where clause after the group by clause have been executed, but before the select clause is executed. I am going to explain you with the example. It is important to not get confused between the having and where clause. For example, if you want to display the list of all the employees whose salary is greater than or equal to 30,000, then you can use the where clause since there is no aggregation takes place in this query. But if you want to display the list of all the employees whose salary is less than or equal to the average salary, where average is the aggregation function, then you have to use the having clause. I hope you are clear how where to use where and where to use having clause. Now, so last element of our select clause is having clause, having element. So, where and have sound similar. Where is for filtering and having is also for some specifying some types of condition for filtering. The difference between having and where is a filter which is applied on entire table and the other one is applied on aggregated value. In other words, where is a filter applied on base table before any computation happen and having clause is a filter that is applied on grouped aggregation data. We saw it just demonstrate in our last video the sum of order quantity for all the products. One way of filtering this is to by using limit and the other one we can specify the having clause. Having clause after group by, if we want to have the sum of order quantity where value of the order quantity is greater than 100. So what I can do that by adding an additional clause after the group by, which is having sum of order quantity is greater than the value you want to specify, which means we will expect the display of the data only product 6. So in this result, we can see multiple results. If there are some more data there. So obviously, I will get this type of condition after using limit clause to after order by, not using having. But the difference in both is this that how I will determine that how much values are there. By using limit, we cannot find out that how much result, how much value in the results our table is going to display. I hope you got this is the difference between having and limit. Limit only we use where we want only top three, least three. But if we want the extract the data in some order by having clause, we have to use having clause because if we don't know how much data is about to display, then we should use having clause. So if I am firm about the order quantity that I want to filter based on, which means to summarize, if you want to filter rows of the data, you should use the where clause. If you want to filter the data after applying the aggregate function, you should use having clause. So we have used all the elements of the select clause from where, group by, having, order by. We have used all these things. So please practice more and more of all the clause at your end. Continuing up to my last query, what I am going to do, identify the three least products. I have already done this query last time. See, select product ID, some order quantity from table name, group by this, order by this. So this is aggregated function which is used in order by, and product ID we want to display. See, if we are using in descending order, we have to specify here DSC. Otherwise, if we do not want to in descending order, if we want any data in ascending order, we don't need to specify. We specify or not ascending is the same. The result will be same. Okay, because it automatically generates the data in ascending format. I hope you understood the meaning and use and applications of all the clauses within select clause. Please practice more and more. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.